Welcome to the Weekly News Tracker, your go-to source for staying informed on the latest real estate happenings around the globe. We've got a sizzling lineup of 6 red-hot headlines to spice up your real estate radar. Let's move on to our first news. Malaika Arora rents her apartment in Mumbai for Rs 1.50 lakh per month. Bollywood actress Malaika Arora has rented her apartment in Bandra West, Mumbai, to costume designer Kashish Hans for Rs 1.57 lakh per month for 3 years. The apartment is located in Pali Hill, Bandra West. The rent is subject to a 5% escalation every year, and the tenant has paid a security deposit of Rs 4.5 lakh. Malaika Arora had earlier rented her Bandra apartment for Rs 1.2 lakh per month to Jeffrey Goldenberg, owner of the Jeff Goldenberg Studio. Let's move on to next news. Kiran Gems MD buys apartment in Mumbai's Worli for over Rs 97 crore. Mavji Bhai Patel, the managing director of diamond manufacturer Kiran Gems, has bought an apartment for Rs 97 crore in Mumbai. The luxurious Seaview apartment is on the 47th floor of the Project 360 West Tower by Oberoi Realty. The apartment is spread across an area of 14,911 square feet, RERA carpet, plus an additional area of 884 square feet. Started in 1985, Kiran Gems specializes in producing diamonds and precious stones and is a select company authorized to buy rough diamonds directly from De Beers Group, one of the world's top diamond miners. Let's move on to next news. Office Space Solutions IPO to open on 22nd May, price band fixed at Rs 364 to 383. Flexible Workspace Solutions Company Office Space Solutions Ltd has fixed a price band of Rs 364 to 383 per share for its Rs 599 crore initial public offering. The IPO will open for subscription on 22nd May 2024 and close on 27th May 2024. The IPO is a mix of fresh issuance of shares worth Rs 128 crore and an offer for sale by the existing shareholders including promoter Peak XV Partners Investments. Office Space Solutions plans to allocate Rs 42 crores from the net proceeds of its new offering towards setting up new centers. Let's move on to next news. DLF to launch real estate projects with Rs 36,000 crore sales potential. Real estate major DLF plans to launch new real estate projects spanning approximately 11.6 million square feet with a sales potential of almost Rs 36,000 crore this fiscal. The key launches planned for the year are expected to be in Gurugram, Goa and Mumbai. DLF planning to launch super luxury projects in Gurugram in DLF 5, Lux 5, in Q3 and in Goa in Q2. A premium project in Mumbai will be launched in Q4 and a luxury project DLF Privana is scheduled to be launched in Gurugram in Q4. Company has indicated a sales guideline hovering around Rs 17,000 crore for the full year. Let's move on to next news. IKEA India gets closer to Delhi NCR, partners with Renus to set up warehouse near Gurugram. Swedish home furnishing brand IKEA has signed an MoU with Renus, a global logistics firm, to set up a large warehouse facility near Gurugram to boost home delivery experience for its customers in the Delhi NCR region. The warehouse facility that measures 1.5 lakh square feet will come up in Farrukhnagar near Gurugram. It will cater to the IKEA's e-commerce as well as offline business. The warehouse facility is capable of storing and fulfilling over 7,000 products. The warehouse facility is well connected with other parts of Delhi NCR, the robust rail and road network including expressways. Let's move on to next news. Brookfield India Real Estate Trust to acquire 50% stake in 4 Bharti Enterprises marquee assets in NCR. Brookfield India Real Estate Trust has inked binding agreements to acquire a 50% stake in 4 Grade A assets from Bharti Enterprises. The enterprise value of the properties is around rupees 6,000 crore. The acquisition includes marquee commercial properties spread over 3.3 million square feet. The portfolio to be acquired includes operating Worldmark assets at New Delhi's Aerocity, which is a mixed-use property covering 1.4 million square feet, and Airtel Center, the state-of-the-art corporate facility of 700,000 square feet in North Gurugram, and Worldmark Gurugram, another mixed-use asset spanning over 700,000 square feet. In India, Canada-based Brookfield owns and operates over 50 million square feet of commercial real estate in Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad and Kolkata. If you don't want to miss any update of real estate, do subscribe our channel now.